Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Cadillac Escalade Platinum featured in Manhattan Noir Metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, hands-free power liftgate, head-up display, power sunroof, and surround vision. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, Bose speaker down below, and some cup holder and storage space. Taking a look at the seats here, down to the bottom left is the power seating, lumbar and massaging seats, and we can hop inside. Just to the left, you'll find the power park brake as well as head-up display and the lighting controls. We can turn the vehicle on. Taking a look at the steering wheel here. To the left, we have the cruise control with heated steering wheel, and to the right, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. Starting off with the radio here, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We also have our climate controls on here and the navigation with a map. We can throw it in reverse. Take a look at the backup camera. Below that, we have the rest of our climate controls with heated and vented front seats for both driver and passenger. Down at the bottom here, we have two cup holders as well as some extra storage with two USBs and a 12-volt. Here in the middle of the center console, we have our wireless charging pad, and we can open it up here. We have a cooling center console as well. You can throw drinks in here, keep them nice and cool. Also have a 12-volt plug-in. Up at the top is the rear view mirror. Just above that, we have our OnStar and SOS with two dome lights. We have the liftgate controls, as well as the power sunroof controls. Here is the power sunroof, and here is the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, Escalade badging along the side, color matched mirror caps and chrome door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back here, we have some Escalade and Cadillac badging. To open up, all we gotta do is double click on the key fob. It's gonna pop open for us. In the back here, you'll notice we have some hinge storage down below. We also have some controls just to the right. We can drop the second and third row of seats down, making a ton of extra storage space, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, as well as a cup holder and some storage space. Here are these seats. And just to the bottom left, we have the manual seating adjustments, and we can hop inside. Back of each seat, we have magazine holders as well as speakers. In the middle, we have our rear climate control. Down at the bottom, two USBs as well as an HDMI. We connect those to the rear entertainment screens on the back of each headrest. And up at the top, we can push this open to reveal another screen. We have vents on the roof as well as handles just to the left, matched on either side. In the third row, we have two dome lights in the middle, vents on the roof as well, and cup holders on either side. And here's the view of the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2018 Cadillac Escalade Platinum. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.